Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. A couple weeks ago I had spoke to you about some paint protection that we're going to do because I swear to you, this has got to be the last nice day of the year. It looks like next week is going to be snow for sure, and Hilde here has not been prepped properly for the winter yet. So the things we're going to do a quick clean, make sure all the contaminants are off. I wanted to actually do a bit more paint work on her, but with the weather about to change, I think first things first, we got to get this thing ready for all the salt that's about to hit the roads. So I got a product that I want to show you guys. It's not sponsored, but it really works well. So I'm going to break out the hose right now, give her a good wash, and then we're going to start putting that product on. Okay, she's all cleaned up. I'm going to dry her off, and then we're going to start putting on that product. Alright, so this is the product that I wanted to talk to you guys about. As I said, this is not a sponsored ad or anything like that. I got some of this as a gift a couple years ago, and it works so well. You really only got to put it on twice a year, and I usually put it on in the spring and in the fall, right? So it lasts about 6 months, and it's a hydrophobic coating. It protects. It's an all-around like great product. And the best part about it, it's really easy to put on. You put it on, you spray it on, you rub it in, you wait a couple minutes, you wipe it off. And as long as you don't do it in direct sunlight, which we're not in today, it goes really quickly. So I'm just going to put the camera down here and we get started on this. So there she is, guys, all cleaned up, ready for the winter. Like I said, I usually would do like a clay bar and a hard shell wax, but I don't think I'm gonna have time for that today, and it looks like next week, like I said, the weather's gonna change. So just this one coat of Produxa, and you can put on two, but just this one coat is gonna make a world of difference in the way the salt sticks to your car, or doesn't stick to your car, actually. So I want to remind you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you haven't already, pick up a t-shirt or a vinyl or a toolbox magnet at howfast.ca, or you can get me on HowFast on Facebook or on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram. I'm all over the place, so make sure you reach out and get in touch. I love to hear from you guys. I'll catch up with you next time. Find out how fast we can make this car go.